A magnitude 7.6 earthquake shook Mexico's central Pacific coast on Monday, killing at least one person and setting off a seismic alarm in the rattled capital on the anniversary of two earlier devastating quakes. There were at least some early reports of damage to buildings from the quake, according to the U.S. Geologic Survey, which had initially put the magnitude at 7.5. In Colcaman, Michoacan, near the quake's epicenter, buildings were damaged, but there were not immediate reports of injuries. Mexico's National Civil Defense Agency said that, based on historic data of tsunamis in Mexico, variations of as much as 32 inches were possible in coastal water levels near the epicenter. Alarms for the new quake came less than an hour after a quake alarms warbled in a nationwide earthquake simulation marking major quakes that struck on the same date in 1985 and 2017. The magnitude 8.0 quake centered near the coast of Guerrero State in 1985 killed at least 9,500 people. More than 360 people died in the magnitude 7.1 quake that struck in 2017.